I'm revealing a stainless insulated tumbler with cleaning tools for Beverages, a versatile tumbler advertised with features geared toward ease of maintenance and beverage versatility. From what I gathered, it comes with accessories, cleaning brushes or tools to make keeping the straw, lid, and interior clean easier, an important feature because many tumbler users struggle with the tiny nooks around lids, straws, and seals. Its stainless insulation promises to keep both hot and cold drinks at desirable temperatures without external condensation. In real-life testing, the insulation worked well. I filled it with iced water and hot tea alternately, and the inside remained appropriately chilled or warm, while the exterior stayed comfortable to hold. The included cleaning brush reached deep into the straw and lid channels, which made it easier to keep hygienic, especially after sugary drinks. The lid and seal construction appear solid. No major leaks when kept upright, though if knocked over some water may seep, as with many straw designs. One slight drawback is that the lid complexity, with multiple parts, means you have to disassemble to clean properly, which adds a few seconds each time, but it's a trade-off for better hygiene. Regarding pricing, I saw this tumbler at a mid-tier price compared to premium brands, so I felt it offers good value, especially with the cleaning accessories. In user feedback, I saw people praise the convenience of the cleaning tools, claim solid durability over months of use, and mention occasional issues with the straw seal loosening. Just a reminder to check parts over time. For daily users who drink iced coffees, juices, or tea and want a cleaner maintenance routine, this tumbler is a strong option. Don't forget, we share by links in description.